Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will see how we can get free domain hosting and able to promote CPA offers with that trick in Facebook, because as you know that whenever we we try to promote any CPA offer in Facebook, most of the time it get blocked by Facebook authority, but this time it will not gonna block your link in Facebook. At first, select any CPA offer which has good CPC and payout. Here in my case, I'm gonna promote CPA offers like Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, or the CPA offers which actually survey or gift card type products. We are going to promote that products here. Now we have to go for a website setup. So here we are going to use our free domain hosting service and search educator page in Google and visit the first link. It will appear here at educatorpages.com. Now this is a website which offers free website for teachers. There's no trial, no hard tool to use, just easy and simple. You can make unlimited pages, menu, and a lot of things you can do with this website. Basically, it's a website for teachers where usually teachers create pages for their lectures or students to give results, but you can use this service as well. Although you are not a teacher, but you can use it for your own purpose and make web page or website with this tool. So let's try to see how it works. You can get started with any of your mail, but make sure that you don't use any type of temporary mail or any edu email, because it just expires. So it's just for make this simple, go with Gmail or Yahoo Mail, this type of mails, and then here you have to give the username which actually going to work as a domain name. So make sure choose it wisely related to your work purpose, what you are gonna do next. Then leave here as usual your password, email, security question, answer, then click on create a website. Sometimes it shows you error, but not to worry, just click create a website and here you will see a dashboard like this. You can see the website is ready with the username what I give here, along with the domain and email hosting. Here some pages are created by default, but you can change any of them by yourself. If you click on edit page, here you can change the title of this page, font, color, size. You are able to add social icons as well. You can add any image or video, whatever you want. Just give here the URL and select the size and alignment, and that's it. Just like Microsoft Word, you can add here tables, numbering, sentence as well. If it requires to have a video, then you can add any video from YouTube just with the URL. Here's another option for the coders. You can use any HTML source code here. For this here I am going to use just a HTML cloak for this time. If you are good at HTML coding, then you can customize the web page according to your style, what you want. If you get enough traffic in your website, you can add any type of ad code like the Google Ads or popular ad codes here to earn more from this. Go for page option and you will find description and keyword field, where you should give text based on your work, which can help your website to get some SEO help. Anyway, in website setting you will get some more attractive themes for your website or page, and also here you can get domain setting, where you are able to add custom domain name. Here we will create a landing page, offer page for our CPA offer, just like this. Create a page, add image or any video, then in text link up your tracking link what you get from your CPA offer, and you can make several pages for your offers based on your offers, and it will add into your website menu. And if you want, you can even make the home page as your offer landing page as well. So now we can directly post this link in Facebook and it won't get blocked. Now let's see how we can promote it in Facebook as well. Here's something I need to tell you, that when you are going to do any type of marketing or promotion in Facebook for free, so you should create a fake account based on that product or service, and then you should do whatever you want to do, like promotions. So here in this case we had to create a brand new profile on Facebook, and in search bar we should search for the keywords based on our offer, as we select Amazon gift card product as our CPA offer what we are going to promote. So we will search with that keyword, Amazon gift card, or just simply gift card, or online shopping, discount, coupons, survey work, or job seeking. If we search with these keywords, we will get a bunch of videos, event, and post groups, all these kind of stuff. Now what we're gonna do, just go for the video and events, because these are the most engageful content in Facebook, where you will see a lot of exciting people are looking and curious about this. So all you need is just do a simply a comment on the video, or just a post in the Facebook group comment, and this will bring a lot of traffic to your website. What you can get help to promote your CPA offer. And here is another option: you can install this extension on your Google Chrome web browser, and after that it will automatically collect all the marketer ads based on your keywords, and if you open the page you will see all the ad sections there, so it get more easy for you to get the actual targeted audience for you. And here you can make friend of those users, and also make traffic from them. So that's all. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can just comment below here. I will make more clear this to you. Okay, have a great day. See you in the next video.